Alrighty guys, today we are changing out a water filter and an air filter for a Frigidaire fridge. And I will provide the model and serial number on the title and on the description as well. So basically this is the water filter. Here's the new one about to put in. And basically all you gotta do is literally just twist it to the left, counterclockwise, pop it out, and put in a new one. Turn it right, pop it in that little bracket, turn it to the right, pop the case, back up, and that's it. 1 minute job. And now we have the air filter, which is actually just as easy as well. Pop open the case and the air filter should be there, but the client didn't even have a filter in there. So no wonder her air filter signal came up on her fridge. But that's it, the handyman out.